Hi, welcome to Sean's Kitchen. For today's recipe, I'm going to take a grinder jar and add 2 medium-sized onions. Along with that, here I'm going to add 3 green chilies, 4 garlic cloves, and 1/4 cup of water. I'm now going to grind this into a fine paste and keep it aside. Here I'm then going to take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. To this oil, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. After adding the cumin seeds, I'm going to then allow it to splutter. Once the cumin seeds start to splutter, I'm then going to add the onion paste from earlier. After adding the onion paste, I'm then going to mix this well with the cumin seeds. After frying this for 3 minutes, here I'm then going to add another 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm going to now continue to fry this until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste is gone. After frying it for about 2 minutes, here I'm then going to add a tomato puree of 4 tomatoes. I'm then going to mix this and let this cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, here I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm going to now mix all of this and let this cook for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, here I'm then going to add 1 tablespoon of curd, 2 teaspoons of freshly ground garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of water. You can then mix all of this really well and let this cook on medium flame for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can then switch off the flame and keep this gravy aside. Then in a pan, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. And to the oil, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm going to then fry this for about 2 minutes. You can then add 5 boiled eggs to it. And after adding the boiled eggs, you can then mix this well. After frying this for a minute, you can then add the gravy mixture from earlier. After adding the gravy mixture, you can then now mix this really well with the eggs. And here you can finally add the coriander leaves to garnish.